In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive old emails automatically in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Outlook's auto-archive controls and how to set them so your mailbox stays lean without you lifting a finger. First, open Outlook on your computer and look to the very top left corner. Click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can manage your account and app-wide settings rather than individual messages. If you've never been here before, think of it as the control center for Outlook. Next, at the bottom of the left-hand menu, click Options. This opens the Outlook Options window. Here you'll find categories that let you fine-tune how Outlook behaves. We're interested in the features that deal with cleanup and storage. In the list on the left, select Advanced. The Advanced section collects a variety of power user controls. Scroll, if needed, until you find the Auto Archive area. Auto Archive is Outlook's built-in tool that periodically moves older items out of your primary mailbox and into an archived data file. This helps you keep performance snappy, reduce mailbox size, and still keep older mail accessible. Under Auto Archive, click Auto Archive Settings. A dedicated dialog will open with several choices you can tailor. You'll see an option to run Auto Archive on a schedule. Turning this on lets Outlook check at regular intervals, say every 7, 14, or 30 days, and process items automatically. If you like to be notified first, enable the prompt so Outlook asks before archiving runs. You'll also find options on how items are treated. Archiving moves older messages to an archive file so they remain searchable and available in Outlook. Permanently deleting old items removes them entirely, so use that only if you're sure. For most people, choosing to archive rather than delete is the safer route. There's a setting for how old an item must be before it's archived. Pick a time frame that fits your workflow, such as 3 or 6 months. You can also choose where archived items go. Keeping the default archive data file is usually fine, but you can browse to a different location if you manage storage on another drive. If you want to see the archive alongside your other folders, leave the option to show the archive folder enabled. A quick note for workplace accounts: organizational retention policies can override or